Today I am starting indeterminate form. What is indeterminate form? Suppose we want to calculate limit extending to a fx by gx. Generally what to do? Generally we are replacing x by a. So therefore value of this limit will come fa when replace x by a, and the denominator ga here also replacing x by a. So now the ratio fa by ga has so many values. It may be 0 by 0 form, it may be infinity by infinity form, it may be infinity by 0 form, it may be 1 to the power infinity form, it may be 0 to the power 0 form. So these all forms which are known as indeterminate form. In such cases we will not replace the value of x directly to the function. We have to apply then L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? L'Hospital rule. So when we have to apply L'Hospital rule, after substituting the value of x in the given function, that is fa by ga, after replacing x by a and here also, we have to apply L'Hospital rule in such cases where we will found fa by ga equal to 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or infinity by 0 or 1 to the power infinity or 0 to the power infinity. In such cases how to apply? Limit extending to a fx by gx, fx by gx. Suppose any one of the form arise, then will not substitute the value of x directly. Will do limit extending to a ddx of fx divided by ddx of gx. So we have to evaluate, we have to do the derivative of the numerator as well as in the denominator. Again, after derivative, again we have to replace the value of a. If we found again any one of the form, again we have to derivative further till this type of form is removed. So we'll continue till when this type of form will be removed. That is called L'Hospital rule. I am explaining with a suitable example. Consider an example, limit extending to 3 x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. First, let us substitute x by 3 in the numerator. So numerator 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 12, and the denominator 3 square 5 into 3 plus 6. So numerator will get 9 minus 21 plus 12 divided by 9 plus minus 15 plus 6. So we are getting 0 by 0 form, which is indeterminate form. So here it is 0 by 0 form, it is compulsory to write. Since it is 0 by 0 form, we can apply L'Hospital rule. So no need to write again applying L'Hospital rule. If I write 0 by 0 form, it means in the next step we are going to apply L'Hospital rule. That is, we want to differentiate numerator as well as denominator. So therefore, limit extending to 3 ddx of numerator x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by ddx of the denominator x square minus 5x plus 6. So now limit extending to 3. What will get? 2x minus 7, 2x minus 5. Now replace again. If you find again 0 by 0 form, then again you have to differentiate. But here if you replace 2 into 3 minus 7 divided by 2 into 3 minus 5. So 6 minus 7 divided by 6 minus 5. So minus 1 by 1. So minus 1 is the answer. So answer of this limit is minus 1. We are going for another example. In this example, limit extending to 0 log 1 plus 2x by 3x. So let me substitute directly the value of x. So numerator we are getting 1 plus 2 into 0 divided by 3 into 0. So therefore log 1 by 0, that is 0 by 0 form. It means it is 0 by 0 form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule, that is limit x tending to 0 ddx of log 1 plus 2x and ddx of 3x. So therefore limit x tending to 0, it is 1 by 1 plus 2x into 2, applying chain rule, divided by 3. So now replace the value of x. So numerator coming 2 by 1 plus 0 divided by 3. So that is 2 by 3. This is the answer of the given limit. Again we are going for example number 3. In this example, let me check whether it is coming indeterminate form or not. Replace directly the value of x. We are getting the numerator e to the power 0, e to the power minus 0, minus 2 into 0 divided by 0 minus sine 0, which is 1 minus 1 minus 0 divided by 0. So 0 by 0 form. So this is also 0 by 0 form. It means we can apply L'Hospital rule. So applying L'Hospital rule. So applying L'Hospital rule, what will get? Limit x tending to 0 ddx of numerator e to the power x, e to the power minus x, 2x divided by ddx of the denominator x minus sin x. So therefore we will get limit x tending to 0. This is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2, 1 minus cos x. Again if you replace the value, what will get? We will get e to the power 0, e to the power minus 0 minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 0, which is 0 by, it is again coming 0 by 0 form. So therefore applying L'Hospital rule, that is the derivative of numerator e to the power x minus e to the power minus x minus 0 divided by 0 plus sin x. Again it is coming 0 by 0 form, and therefore limit x tending to 0. Again we are applying L'Hospital rule. It is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by cos x. Now replacing the value of x directly, e to the power 0 plus e to the power minus 0 divided by cos 0, that is 1 plus 1 by 1, that is 2 is the answer. We are going for example number 4. In example 4, it is given limit x tending to 0 e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2 cos x minus 4 divided by x cube sin x. So check, after replacing x equal to 0, the numerator becomes, it is 1 plus 2 minus 4. So result is 0 and the denominator is also 0. So it is coming 0 by 0 form. So we are not applying L'Hospital rule. Before some tricks we have to apply. Limit x tending to 0. So better no need to write here, because if you write means you are going to apply L'Hospital rule. But we come to know that it is 0 by 0 form. So some tricks applying before applying L'Hospital rule. So e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2 cos x minus 4. Here write down x to the power 4 sin x by x. We know that limit x tending to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. So in the next step we will write limit x tending to 0 e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2 cos x minus 4 divided by x to the power 4 into 1. Now you replace x equal to 0 directly. The numerator will come 0, even denominator will come 0. It is 0 by 0 form. It means we can apply now L'Hospital rule. So limit x tending to 0, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x minus 2 sin x divided by 4x cube. Again it is the form of 0 by 0. So it means again we are applying L'Hospital rule. So limit x tending to 0, it is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x minus 2 cos x divided by 12 x square. Again it is 0 by 0 form. It means we are going to apply L'Hospital rule. So we are applying L'Hospital rule. We are applying L'Hospital rule. So it is coming now, limit x tending to 0, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus 2 sin x divided by 24x square. Now 24x. Again it is coming 0 by 0 form. So therefore again we have to apply L'Hospital rule. X tending to 0, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus 2 cos x divided by 24. So now if you replace the value of x, so we will not get 0 by 0 form. It is 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 24. So 4 by 24 equal to 1 by 6. Now we are going to example number 5. In example 5, let you check whether it is coming 0 by 0 form or not. So it is coming sin 0 0 minus x also 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 0. So it is coming 0 by 0 form. It means we are going to apply L'Hospital rule. So therefore limit x tending to 0, derivative of the numerator which is cos x minus 1 plus 1 by 2x square divided by 5x4. Let you check again whether it is coming 0 by 0 form or not. Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 plus 0, 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form came again. So therefore we are going to apply L'Hospital rule. So after applying means derivative of numerator minus sin x minus 0 plus x divided by 20 x cube. Check again whether it is coming 0 by 0 form or not. It is 0, it is 0. So numerator 0 divided by 0, 0 by 0 form. So therefore limit x tending to 0, apply derivative in the numerator. So minus cos x plus 1 divided by 60 x square. It is 0 by 0 form again. So limit x tending to 0, we are applying L'Hospital rule, that is derivative of numerator plus sin x divided by 120 x. Again it is coming 0 by 0 form. So therefore limit x tending to 0, cos x divided by 120 which is 1 by 120. This will be the answer. So we have applied so many steps L'Hospital rule. Now we are going for the next example. In this example, let you check whether it is coming indeterminate form or not by replacing x equal to 0. So numerator it is 0, it is log 1 0, 0 minus 0 is 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form. But here we have to apply little bit tricks. Let we apply first. Limit x tending to 0. It is x cos x minus log of 1 plus x divided by x square into tan x by x. And we know that limit x tending to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. So therefore it is coming limit x tending to 0, x cos x minus log of 1 plus sin x divided by x square into 1. Now if you replace x equal to 0, it is also coming 0 by 0 form. It means in the next step we are going to apply L'Hospital rule. So applying L'Hospital rule, what we will get? Limit x tending to 0, derivative of x cos x, that is x into minus sin x plus cos x minus 1 by 1 plus x, it is not sin x, it is x, 1 plus x divided by 2x. Now check again whether it is coming indeterminate form or not. So it is 0, it is 1, it is 1. So 0 by 0 form again. So therefore we are applying again L'Hospital rule, that is limit x tending to 0. So numerator coming x into minus cos x minus sin x minus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square divided by 2. Now check whether it is coming 0 by 0 form or not. So if you replace x equal to 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 1 by 1, that is 1 by 2. So final answer will come 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 1 divided by 2. So final answer will be, so this is the answer. In this example, first you have to do the LCM of the denominator. So limit x tending to 3, denominator coming x minus 3 into log x minus 2, x minus 3 minus log x minus 2. Now check whether it is indeterminate form or not by replacing x equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is 0, and then it is 3 minus 2, that is 1, log 1 is 0. So numerator coming 0 and the denominator also 0 by 0 form. So applying L'Hospital rule, what we will get? Do the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. Numerator coming what? 1 minus 0 minus 1 by x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 by x minus 2 plus log of x minus 2. So after simplification, what is coming? X minus 3, x tending to 3. The numerator coming x minus 3 divided by x minus 2, and it is x minus 3 plus x minus 2 into log x minus 2 by x minus 2. So we are doing again here, continuing. Limit x tending to 3, that x minus 2 get cancelled, x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 plus x minus 2 into log x minus 2. Now again we'll check whether it is indeterminate form or not. Numerator coming 0 clearly, denominator it is 0, it is 1, it is 1, log 1 0, so 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form. So it means we can apply L'Hospital rule. So limit x tending to 3. So therefore numerator is, derivative of numerator is 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 plus x minus 2 by x minus 2 and plus log of x minus 2. Now substitute the value directly. So what will get? We are replacing x equal to 3. So check whether it is indeterminate form or not. It is 1, this is 1, so 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, this is cancelling 1 plus 1, and therefore it is 0. So final answer 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 0, so 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Now we are going to the next. In this example, check whether it is indeterminate form or not. It is 0 minus tan inverse 0 is 0, 0 minus sin inverse 0 is 0. This is also 0 by 0 form. So applying L'Hospital rule, limit x tending to 0, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square 1 minus 1 by root over 1 plus x square. So therefore limit extending to 0, numerator coming 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square, denominator coming root over 1 plus x square, root over minus 1. So final coming limit x tending to 0, it is x square by 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square by root over 1 plus x square minus 1. We are rationalizing the denominator. So root over 1 plus x square plus 1, root over 1 plus x square plus 1. So limit x tending to 0, x square by 1 plus x square, root over 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square minus 1. So this one get cancelled, x square get cancelled. Final answer, limit x tending to 0, the numerator coming root over 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Now we are replacing the value of x, that is 0. So it becomes 1, it becomes 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 into 2 divided by 1. So that is 2 is the answer. See, in this example, what we are finding, it is 1 plus 0, that is 1 to the power cos 0 is infinity, 1 to the power infinity. So therefore, here the process is let u equal to 1 plus sin x whole to the power cot x. Therefore, log u equal to cot x into log of 1 plus sin x, that is log of 1 plus sin x divided by tan x. So now taking limit extending to 0, log u equal to limit extending to 0, log of 1 plus sin x divided by tan x. This tan x can be written as x into tan x by x. So which we can write limit x tending to 0, log of 1 plus sin x divided by x, since limit x tending to 0, tan x by x equal to 1. We are continuing here. So therefore limit x tending to 0 log u equal to limit x tending to 0 log of 1 plus sin x divided by x. It is indeterminate form, so 0 by 0 4. It means we are applying L'Hospital rule, that is derivative of numerator and the denominator. So limit x tending to 0, 1 by 1 plus sin x into cos x divided by 1. So now replacing x equal to 0, will get cos 0 by 1 plus sin 0, that is 1 by 1 equal to 1. Eliminate log, limit x tending to 0, u equal to e to the power 1. This implies limit x tending to 0, u means 1 plus sin x whole to the power cot x equal to 1. So this is the final answer. Now we are going to the next example, number 10. Limit extending to pi by 2 tan x to the power sin 2x. So here we have to take u equal to, let u equal to tan x to the power sin 2x. Therefore log u equal to log tan x to the power sine 2x, which is equal to sine 2x into log of tan x, taking limit extending to pi by 2 log u equal to limit extending to pi by 2 log of tan x divided by cosec 2x. Now check whether this one as indeterminate form or not. So x is pi by 2, tan pi by 2 infinity, log infinity is infinity, it is infinity, and here it is pi by 2 means cosec pi, and cosec pi, sin pi is 0 means cosec pi infinity. So this is a infinity by infinity form. So it means indeterminate form. So applying L'Hospital rule, so therefore what will get, extending to pi by 2 1 by tan x into sec square x, and derivative of cosec 2x is minus cosec 2x into cot 2x. So now we simplify, limit extending to pi by 2, it becomes minus cos x by sin x into 1 by cos square x divided by 2 1 by sin 2x into cot 2x. Continue here. So therefore limit extending to pi by 2 log u equal to limit extending to pi by 2 minus 1 cos x get cancelled, 1 by sin x into cos x divided by 2 cot 2x into sin 2x, that is limit extending to pi by 2, it becomes minus sin 2x tan 2x 2 sin x cos x. So further we are getting limit extending to pi by 2 minus sin 2x into tan 2x divided by sin 2x. It is cancelled, and pi by 2 means minus tan 2 into pi by 2, which is minus tan pi equal to 0, and therefore u equal to e to the power 0, and that is equal to 1. Hence limit extending to pi by 2 tan x to the power sin 2x equal to e to the power 0, that is 1. So this is the answer.